Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
You have said that you are very small and that you are not God, and yet it appears to me as an outsider that the devotees treat you as if you were God.
Yes, that is devotee's duty. Just like a government officer. Personally, he is not very important. But so long he executes government order, he should be respected as government. That is the way. Even an ordinary policeman comes, you have to respect him because he is government man. But that does not mean he is God. He is respected. Sakshad hrittena samasta shastri ruktas tatha bhav batayo. If that man thinks that I have become government, people are respecting me, then he is foolish. So, but it is the etiquette, if the government man comes, you should respect him as government.
Along the same idea, I wonder also about the the beautiful material things that the devotees bring to you. And for instance, when you left the airport, you left in a beautiful, big, fancy car. And I wonder about this because...
That is teaching them how to respect. If you respect government man as government, then you must treat him like that. If you respect spiritual master as God, then you must offer him the facilities of God. Otherwise, how you treat him as God? Simply in mind? In action also.
I'm sorry, what was the last you said?
If the spiritual master is treated as God, so he must practically show that he is treating as God. So God travels by golden car. If the spiritual master is offered ordinary motor car, so still it is not sufficient. Because he has to be treated like God. So what is this motor car for God? That's still deficient. If God comes to your home, will you bring him in ordinary motor car? Or you arrange for a golden car? If you treat him as God. So, your point is that they offered me nice motor car. I say that is not sufficient. That is still lacking to treat him as God. Be practical.
Yesterday I met a devotee from New York who said that there were many people present at the festival from other planets and that you could see them. Is that true?
Yes. Everyone can see. If you have eyes, you can see. But if you have no eyes, therefore you are envious because they have offered a nice motor car. So you have to make your eyes to see. A blind man cannot see. The eyes are to be treated how to see.
Is this true also of your other senses?
Every senses. If you want to see something, you must be trained up how to see. Like a scientist is seeing something through the microscope. And you want to see with naked eyes. How it is possible to see? You must adopt the process to see it. Then you can see everything.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,